Hey guys, it's James from Aussie Traveller here. Just wanted to stop and show you we've just set up our long shade wall. The reason we've set it up tonight and not tomorrow morning is tomorrow morning the sun's going to come from the east and hit straight against our caravan. This shade wall is going to stop the impact of the sun from hitting us while we're having a nice snooze in the morning. As you can see, Textiline material, we can see right through the caravan here and see what's going on. Hey Jules, how you doing?
Hello.
Other key features we got here, guys, we got some eyelets in the floor, so there's eyelets right along. You can put the screw-in pegs to keep it secured, or if you want, you can guy rope it out. So there you have it, guys. It's a nice cool grey material, and it's available in a range of sizes to suit pop top and standard caravans. So it's been a long day for me. It's secured to the floor. I'm going to head in for a well-deserved drink, guys.